Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. I'm still working on clearing out the hard drive so I can record some new videos, but in the meantime, here's a flash video on some stencil embossing with a bunch of leaf die cuts for a friend that I sent it out to. This card, per usual, was entered into the 30 Days of Crafting challenges. The reason why it was not videotaped is because it was part of a practice workshop, and I consider it rude to record while it's someone else's moment in the sun. What we did was ink blend a background, run a cover die through, pop it all out, put some Versamark over top of it, emboss it, give her a dose of splatter, and then add whatever theme that we were using. For mine, it happened to be leaves, so I did a bunch of different leaf die cuts and put those on the front, put the inside sentiments on, jumped back to the front, put some thread around, grabbed out my wax seals, and did the sentiment in a beautiful holographic. You all be that change you want to see. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hun, did you know we hit 200 subscribers?
That's definitely something new.
Do you think we can hit 250 by my birthday?
It's probably going to hit at least when it's all said and done.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
Wow, you're on a roll. You're on a roll, babe.